Have you ever noticed that awkward silence when one song ends and the next one starts? In the Samsung Music app, there's a feature called Crossfade between tracks. It lets one song fade out while the next fade in, making playback feel smoother and more natural. Here's how to adjust it and when it actually makes sense to use it. First, open Samsung Music. Tap the three dots at the top right, then tap Setting. Under Playback section, look for Crossfade between tracks. By default, this option is set to off. If needed, you can slide the bar to the right to increase the duration. You can adjust the duration up to 10 seconds. For example, you can set it to 3 seconds. If you listen to playlists while working or relaxing, it makes transition feel smooth without changing the song too much. However, if you are listening casually or want cleaner song ending, you can keep it off or use a shorter value like 1 or 2 seconds. Crossfade doesn't change your music, it changes how it flows. When you set the right value, playlists feel more continuous and enjoyable. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.